What's up guys, back with another video here. Today's video we're going to the Pike car meet for the classic car show. We're going to see what pulls up. We're going to be doing a bit of photography as well. So let's see how it goes and let's see what comes. Ferrari just comes to a classic car show. I'm pretty sure he missed the... I didn't sign up for this. Yeah, sorry, forgot you. Rich. Wow. Oh, okay. Thank you. What's she giving that for? Lovely Hellcat. That was here last time. He goes to the car events.
It might come again.
I hope. If he's not sold it, then yeah.
Was he going to sell it?
He posted it on Facebook.
Oh. That's peak, I wouldn't sell that.
I know, there's some really nice ones there.
Well, that green and purple Lambo is nice.
I don't know, ask the person that knows.
I don't know.
Useless.
I swear they don't do the car show in the cricket playing grounds anymore.
No, it's the same company.
Yeah, they do it here because they sold the place. Do you reckon they'll do chips in the pub?
Probably.
Yeah, I might go grab some.
I can see better now.
It's camera.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, I love how more cars are turning up as it's chucking it down. This man's just seriously turned up in a tank top. Oh.
What car is that?
Volkswagen Beetle.
Mini car.
Oh, it's starting to rain again!
I love rain. I love rain.
That's a nice one. Right in front. Let's go, Connie, a good one.